Okay, guys, this is Ethan here from Bloody Robotics, and here we're gonna have a new package. Bum bum bum. So I don't know if you can see this. This is a new bot I got from LBT Robotics. Shout out to them. They got me this mammoth, which is like a grabber type thingy stuff. So yeah, let's get unboxing this very soon. But just a very reason for what do I do? I do 3-pound robotics. You know me as my flying elephant robot. I do both horizontals and vertical spinners. So this is my main 220-gram bar. So cute, but you'll not be so happy if you get hit by it. And this is the champion for the 260-gram robotics competition. So pretty scary bot. It sounds terrible, but this is a more flippery bot, more control bot. I use it a lot for my more technical matches. So yeah, let's go on to our build today. So if you open the box, you'll get this lid. In my experience, the box is not particularly pretty good. So yeah, and here we got a lot of 3D printed parts. And so let's just keep these away. So let's first, on our first component, this is our front board, which holds the wedgie stuff, and it protects our insides. This. And the most partially important stuff is our servo holder. It stands just right on top of this thing. I forgot which way it goes, but it is very indeed sufficient to hold your servos. Just put it here. And here, of course, is the thingy that's used to hold your weapon or the grabber. Put it over here. Here, the little sweet wheel protectors. Very good. And here is the grabber arm itself. These are the tooths. That's why it's called mammoth. Like here. This goes like somewhere there. Like there. See? It sounds like some mammoth tooth or something, but yeah. Here's a little arm to like, oh, dropped it. That's not good. This arm that moves with the servo. Oh, our little cat is not feeling healthy today. Put it here. Great. These are our 2 little cute wheel hubs. Very good. And wire hub, battery cover, and backboard. And in this box, you get 2 batteries, of course, and there's, oh, they're connected, not good. So this is your battery with your battery thingy, plastic thingy, and yeah, not sure not to overvolt them. Like I will overvolt them once. Put in here with, that's not capable with this one, and then it just broke somehow. I don't know why. That's just some components inside the box. Else with the 3D printed parts. Plus, great shout out to Bamboo Lab for. So to like get these quality prints, look like they're nearly perfect prints. And also shout out to LBT Robotics to bring me this excellent robot and kit. So this robot is 260 grams, and most competition does not support 260 grams, but LBT Robotics host a robotics competition just straight for this weight. And I don't know why they gave me these 2 batteries. Maybe these are bad batteries or rubbish batteries, but let's just put them aside. and of course the core to all of them. So I already built this thing, pre-built, because of course I already opened this before. This is the core to your everything. These are your PCB, all of your plugins, the drive motors and stuff. But like for this, you have to like plug these drive motors stuff in, and then all of the gear systems in there. So just a sec, I need to get a screwdriver for you. Okay guys, we got our little cute blue screwdriver. So I'm just gonna deassemble this 4 screws to show you what's actually inside that I built. Oh, it's a bit tight, I screwed it. So like this is your drive, so you probably want to like screw it in pretty tight due to it's your drive, it's your life. If your drive breaks, everything breaks. My experience. But to explain that that these robots are highly customizable, like this one. Oh no, my little cat. Never mind, at my castle. So this bot is also had the same core as you can see, but I changed the motor, which you can see over right here, or on top of here, and the battery I also changed, and everything I changed, weapon, everything. But today we're not going to tell you how to customize it because you need a lot of stuff to customize it, and you need a lot of skills to customize it. But so these are all the short screws that you are gonna be using. So like only the screw are you like you should only using short screws during the build, but the long screws that they gave you also are for like repairs and stuff. Okay, so now I got all of these little screws off of both sides, and just gonna show you what is this. So inside is these, I call them the cake gears because they look like cakes. And here you have, it's pretty hard. So here to these things. This, I don't know, like that's pretty weird. But yes, and these are all short screws. But today I can only find long screws somehow today. Yeah, I only have one of these like little short screws. Don't know where they all gone. Like these are all massive long screws that I use for my other robots. Yeah, so I can't really find like where all the short. Oh, there's one in here, but I can't really find where's all of my long screws and stuff. So I'm just gonna cheat it a little bit. Don't tell anyone, okay? So, oh my God, that's what happens if you don't. That's the hard part, so let's just put them in again. So this is gonna be a long video, and only for the people who actually love robotics, for a lot. Watching me, this boring man, just screwing in stuff and unscrewing stuff. But this is actually very crucial to your robotics things that you start with when you're like really small lightweight things. And oh sorry, touched your camera. And then I'm now playing 3-pound robots, and in my opinion, pretty decent. But yeah, I'm today the build I'm trying to use the short screws, but I don't think I have enough short screws. So yeah, you have to like really try hard to not bore you. but maybe a subscribe and a like will help us a lot. And today we're aiming for 0.1 subscribers and half a like, maybe. But today we're aiming for it, and you can always change your mind, and yeah, you can always change your mind. And if you don't watch my content and think it's boring, it's just an old man building robots, but it will not be. It will also be me at NHL and all of that crazy stuff. And oh, very good. Okay, I'll just leave that aside. So this is our central thing, and let's just start building on it. So, remember this. So this thing slaps onto here. Yeah, no. So it slaps onto here. Don't get it wrong. So this thing, you have these 2 holes here and the other 2 holes here. So you use short screws. I try to use all of my short screws. And you screw it in. Screw it in. Oh. And like you need strength for this part, because sometimes the head of the screw may be a little teeny tiny bit big for the thing, but you have to use your mighty strength. Oh no, dropped here. Okay, very good. Very good, very good, very good. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. So let's just screw these things on. Oh, I haven't really explained to you all these things, these stuff. So this is a servo. The MG999R. Don't know if you can see that, but this is a 20 kilogram metal gears, I think. Servo, and these are our wheel hubs, and all that crazy stuff. And this is your controller. This is your charger for these little tiny blue batteries. Okay, so now you are going to screw these 2 screws in. It's some power to screw these in. I don't have enough power. Yeah. Oh my god, that's so hard. I'm just gonna try to screw this in. I'm fumbling a little bit. Very good. Okay, this is nice and screwed in, so this should be a little bit easier. I'm sorry if you're not seeing everything, but I'm trying to screw this in. Okay. So for the back cover, you don't want it super tight, because these are all 3D printed stuff. And yeah, I just need to check out my jumper. Okay, all done. Now we're back. So now you're gonna put this battery thingy stuff here. So you see that it's like kind of like this. It fits both sides, but I tell you that you need it this way, where this thing, because you see this is the battery cover, and the battery cover goes here. So where the battery cover is, of course, at the outside, so you need to screw it in this side. It's common sense. Okay, so it's the same few screws. Why isn't this fitting? This is making... Oh, wrong way. See if you go the wrong way. Oh, you get it wrong. So the same 4 screws. Oh my god. Why you not giving me all the mats? Okay, very good. Screw in with my force. This is very suitable for kids that is like 4 plus. Yeah. Very good. Very good, very good. I'm not trying to aim, sorry if you think that I'm trying to aim, but yeah. Very good. Okay, very good. Oh no! At the end of this weird video, I'm gonna just be posting some of my 3-pound and the upcoming of the events and stuff. So this is where you, of course, keep your battery, and this where this comes from. So you get this in your pack. Just get the batteries out. I don't think these are fully charged yet, but yeah, here. Very good. So you see these 2 of these things here, stuff here. There's like holes in this 3 printed parts. So now you just need to. The screw is not getting along with me again. I know this is supposed to be a long video, but I'm not trying to let you wait for my part 2. It will bore everybody of us down. And where's my screw? Oh, it's there. But just a heads up, they include nearly everything except for the extra parts. So if you're just playing something with it and you accidentally break it, there are no repairs, unlike my stuff. Oh my god, why is this not screwing in? Okay, I think that's about it. Maybe. Okay, very good. So this is just our core stuff, which this should be plugging into here and snug it tight. Now, time for this. Now, I'm gonna be kind to you. Get the easy stuff first. So these are our phone wheels and all of the stuff here. Yeah, so they give you 2 nuts, but these are for your weapon and stuff. Oh my god, I only have 4 screws left. Yeah, it's bad until I have to use the long one. Oh, this is the satisfying part, this here. That's so satisfying. And those 2, pew, pew, bye-bye. Okay, now, so these go, oh no. These, well, if you're seeing me doing this stuff, I don't really know what I'm doing, so yeah, subscribe to let me know what I'm doing. To hope I don't do something wrong. Yeah, boy, yeah, boy, yeah, boy. Now just place it there, nice and easy, and then you should supposed to be screwing 3 butts for the wheels. It's very cool. So this is the only one place that I really actually suggest using the long screws. Using the long screws. Okay. You see my screws here. Just gonna move this. Here's long screws here. They are a significantly amount longer. So these are, oh no. This is really giving me a headache right now because I have to do the same with my 3-pound and stuff. This should not be giving me a headache as a very experienced person in robotics. But yeah, every time I get asked with my friends like, "Whoa, what do you do? What kind of robotics do you do? Do you do Vex? Do you do like Vex IQ? Like who does that? Does it except for babies? Like what do you do? Do you do Vex IQ? Do you do Vex V5? Do you do other stuff?" But I tell them I do combat robotics. I do nothing except for combat robotics on this channel, and I hope they acknowledge that I do combat robotics. And sorry for this wheel just not getting out of this camera, but I'm really trying my best to get this stuff. Okay, so now both of our wheels are good to go. So let's just pop them there. Actually, just gonna screw them in. And like, I also prefer these long style things to screw them in your wheels because they are more sturdy, more efficient. Yeah, that is why I use them a lot in most of my builds. Okay, stuff that in. Screw them. Okay, good to go. Same for the other wheel. So now you may think that this looks like nothing, but it will look like something really soon. So then we're gonna build our servos. So let's just put this apart. This is our servo. Pack it. It comes with a lot of small stuff. So that's our servo itself. It's only 20 kilograms, not that much. I can't twist it. That's fine, but yeah. And in here you have a lot of stuff, indeed. But I think the one we need is this one. I think. Yeah, and the rest. Oh, not this one. Yes, it is that one. So let's just assemble it first. So our thing go in from there. Like both are okay. So, yeah. And then you could do it like this. In my opinion, both ways fine. This depends on, you could upgrade the servo to like what servo you want and whatever servo you want, but yeah. This goes here, you see here. Just plug this in. By the way, I don't know which way though. Yeah, it's supposed to be this way, look. So the wires go through here. See, that's why it's called a wire hub. Just do this up here. Alright, try not to stuff everything together because that's not good for your internals. Robot called internals, your organs inside, your juicy stuff. juicy. Oh, I'm having problems with stuffing the juicy stuff in. You can't do this that fast because this is to the robots and stuff. This is a special place right for your wires. Don't think it's stuffed incorrectly. Okay, so you can see that stuff with the wires in. Last one from here to here. A short one. Maybe you could stuff at it if my hand's like blocking it, but do you really need to cut that in? Yes. So for me, you have to like really tuck everything in properly, and it doesn't work. Great. When you're trying to get everything to work, nothing works. Okay, really good. Use the last set of my screws. I have 4 screw holes. I have to really press this down. So if you can't see, I'm sorry about that. So it's always good to fasten the diagonals. Yes, now I can see that. To fasten the diagonal, see that's there, here, and here. Now I'm just gonna use the last set of screws. Oh, like I think I found some short screws in the other box I have. Just gonna show you here. See, there's some short screws right here, so I'm just gonna get them, okay? So just wait a second. Okay. Get my camera. So I'm just gonna put these short screws on after and get them. Oh, that is not good. You see there? That's really not good for the wires for servo right there. You see? Really not good. But I think it's okay. Let's go. Still haven't put the battery cap on. So next step is to put this on. Okay, very good. Okay, so as you can see, we could have these short screws. Maybe some of them are long screws, but never mind. Okay, that's not good. My screw is not happy with me again, so I better not covering, but I'm actually screwdriving in the instant. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now you see why I don't suggest using the long screws here. If you use the long screws here, it's gonna go really down into it, and yeah, basically just hard to screw in. See, even the short screws are very hard to screw in already. Oh no, it's a bit off. Sometimes you don't really have to screw hard because like I don't know if you can see, but that one is already like a bit soft. Scratched it a little bit, and it makes the stuff very hard. Just first one. That's a second. Oh, oopsie daisies. Okay, very good. That's our weapon holder. Now, the weapon. So, if you do this, just slap it right on there. I don't think it will. Oh, I got it the wrong way. Just found out. Technically, now I got it in the right way, the right one, but I'm just gonna make sure. Yeah, maybe. Yes, I got it. The right correction. Yay! Now there are some special screws in here, as you can see. Those black ones. Don't know if it focus. Yeah, but these black ones are the ones you want. And for the weapon assembly, you also need these long silver ones. These ones. Now also, they also give you 2 of each screw, because in my experience, this thing literally bends a lot, so they give you 2 of these. Okay, so first, this is used to connect this arm to the servo. Yeah, screw it as tight as possible. Yeah, don't want your weapon. And hear the sound of this. Ooh. But that's only like 20 kilograms. But like for my new upgrade for this, I'm gonna buy like a 40 kilogram one, which is like you can't even like use your hand to like do it. So you are supposed to do this. No, like this. You're supposed to do like kind of like this, you see, like this, like that. Then you screw it in that. Yeah, let's do it. So what do I do? Like you screw. It's very hard to screw it in like at once. So what I do is like, wait, oh no, wrong one. So that's not for this one. You need a long one occasionally, yes. This one you need here, and then you have to screw it from inside, which is very hard for some people like me. Oh, can't find it. So like make sure that you are in the top hole, like the top one. Make sure it doesn't really move, but it somehow does need to move. Oh, you can't see it. Okay. Yeah, something like something like that. Something like that. I'm not sure if you're supposed to let me experiment out this thing, because I never been able to grab it before. Just experiment. Okay, I don't. Oh yeah, it can move. Okay, fine. So it could move. So back to here. Oh, not that. Yeah. So it could move a little bit. I mean, so. Firstly, we have to assemble the weapon. That's not the wrong. See, like here, I usually got it incorrect. That's a circle, right? But here, a different shape. That's for the nut. So you just get your weapon here. Remember, the thing like a mammoth tooth thingy is like at the top. Yeah. So you go through there with your weapon arm. Go through there. And they will give you a L-shaped thing like this. Screw it in on here. I normally use my RTW, but this time I don't have it. So for this, you need it like that, very loose, like very indeed loose. And then here, from here, you have to do here. Yes, something like that. Like, yeah, something like that. Yeah, basically. So let's do it. That is where this long screw comes in. I'm like particularly unsure about this because, yeah, what was the hole? It is right there. Ah, great. Don't want to screw it perfectly tight, like just like that. It's good. Don't think quite could move right now. Oh fudge! I think I got in the wrong thing. Yeah. Now only this is moving. Which is not supposed to happen. Oh, it is kinda supposed to happen like that. Do it like that, but I'm not sure about this, you know? Really not sure about this. Yeah, really not sure about this. Let's see, how to solve this problem? I forgot. Me equals to totally forgot how to do this model. Bruh, like, I think it's kinda like this. Just lower, maybe. Let's try putting this a little bit lower. A little bit lower. Lower. Just choose a random one. And oh, it is in. Does this actually work now? I don't think so. Do you work? It kind of doesn't. I just go back to that. Trying to think of what went wrong in this. Dead cycles here. That's just too. I'm like brain rotted right now. How are we supposed to do it? Are we supposed to use the smaller one or something? Oh, I think we are. Let's try a smaller one. Don't know, and don't ask me why. Oh my god. And plus, I usually mess stuff up, so. I just forgot what the mechanism is. Should be somewhat like this, but yeah. Now this is not coming off. Okay, so it's changed into the smaller one, I guess. It's more better. And does it go in it? I don't think so. It goes in perfectly, but let's try it. I don't know if you can see it, but it doesn't really go in here. That's the thing I'm worrying about. maybe some people will say I don't know what I'm doing. I totally don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, I totally don't know what I'm doing. Somehow I know, and somehow I don't know. I thought it's supposed to be the same as other ones, but yeah, it's not this time. Let's see this. Okay, does it even reach it? No, it doesn't even reach it. Wait, pause. Pause. Yeah, it definitely kind of reaches it, but this is a little bit hard with that weapon on. Okay, very good. Yay, it doesn't work. After half of my time to do it. Was I did I assemble the whole thing wrong? Oh? Huh. I don't know actually. The bot is cooking me so much. This bot's cooking me. The Okay, guys. So we have finally fixed the problem. So this little lever you can see here is actually every time it's going in the wrong way, and I only discovered it after I disassembled the whole servo. No, not the insides, but the servo and the holder, and I hold it in my hand, and I found that problem. To solve that, I just unscrewed the lever, changed the little direction. Like you could take that off, change the direction of the lever, and then you could do it. And then I fixed it, and let's just open it and demonstrate for you. See, doing it. My controller. And now it works perfectly fine. Let's get it to grab on something like this rocket and see how it works. It looks like with the battery cover. Just gonna put it on right now. Like, it doesn't really matter where this goes, only matters if it fits properly. Well, which is not going well for me. Oh, stupid me, I did it the wrong way. Very good. Now it's time. Oh, maybe we have to screw ourselves in. Okay, it's officially done. So here you can see the robot itself, the controller here. See, and everything works. See, okay, very good. You normally go like this and then grabs it and just does the kidnapping and stuff. So it's a success.